guys, we're live on Instagram and this is going on YouTube. This is our debut of our very first sponsor. Midland Radios has sponsored us for our Pennsylvania BDR, backcountry discovery route that we're doing in July. So we're missing D's radio. This is D and TJ. Their Jeeps are behind. D has a 2017 Willys that he's just got. He's going to start building. TJ, you want to do?
Mine's a 2016 Rubicon JKU, and it's on a 2.5-inch lift with 35-inch tires.
And this is my Jeep, the 3.5-inch lift with 35-inch tires. So we're going to go through what they sent us. It was awesome of what they sent us. We weren't expecting. We just thought we'd be getting a couple radios. They sent us a lot of other stuff. So the piece of the resistance is for TJ's and my Jeep. We got the MXT 400s, 40-watt GMRS FRS radios. D's getting a MXT 275, the 15-watt radio. It's a more concealable, and that's just what he wanted. So we got two of these, which are awesome. You can see it's a pretty beefy radio, 40 watts. Got a lot of cooling fins out here. We were not expecting, so we have 4 X-Talker two-way radios. These are going to be awesome for when you're outside the Jeep and on the trail, in camp, whatnot. Great way for us all to be in communication. We got 4 of these, which was awesome. And then we got cables for the antennas, and then all 3 of us are going with the 6 dB antenna, which we're all going to be mounting them on the hood fender area, which is going to give us a good ground plane for best type of communications. Bunch of swag. We got stickers. Every Overlander needs patches. We got some shirts and some trucker caps. So you'll be seeing us all this. We got a bunch of videos going to be dropping to YouTube pretty soon, next couple weeks. We got some stuff coming up on the installs on these. And then sometime this fall, we'll be having a 3 or 4 part series of the BDR. We're going to do the BDR. It's going to be between I-80 and the Pennsylvania Turnpike. It's some of the more complicated sections in Pennsylvania, going through all the Allegheny Mountains. So, you guys got anything to add?
No. No.
Alrighty. Well, we're going to be busy installing 2 out of the 3 radios this evening, and then once Deez gets in, we'll get his installed. So. Awesome. Leave comments below.